tires keep paying for it. That's cool, but I think it's also like a cool gesture. Oh God!
Sorry, I'm trying to stop.
You can do whatever you want for Thanksgiving, so if you want to go somewhere like Oh, Jesus!
Stop! That car just hit us. It's because the car turned into their lane. The car turned into their lane and they went on.
Tonight in the Bronx, the New York Yankees back at home soil to chip away at the 2-0 deficit in the World Series. The conservative LA Dodgers, the injury status of Shohei Ohtani, though it looks like he's going to play for that partially dislocated shoulder tonight. On the mound, the Yankees going plunge spin against postseason veteran Walker Buehler. It's 8 o'clock in sports. That big old Canadian matchup in Winnipeg. The Maple Leafs look to win their 3-game skid. The Jets are 8-0. Only 4 teams in a long history of the NHL have gone 9-0 to start. We'll see who begins in.
Fucking hell, man.
Babe.
Reorientation intended by our Lord in giving us this, the most perfect of prayers. And as the Catechism states in it, we ask for all the things we can rightly desire, but also in the sequence that they should be desired. Now, in addition to looking at the 7 petitions and dividing them up into 3...
You know, made a little note, and I'm like, this is where the fancy thermometer goes. I don't want any pens in it, you know. This, you gave me, oh!
Lock up your wheels because you hit the brakes because you came up on something you didn't expect? Here's Detour Dan to tell you what it is. He's in the Valley Chevy Dealers Traffic Center.
Good chance it might have been one of these 2 freeway crashes. Mainly this one here in the eastbound and westbound 202 Santan Freeway near Kyrene. It's a crash and about a 2-mile delay back from approaching the
Jesus fucking Christ. God, this wanker. Number plate. This bell end here. You're on camera and all, knobhead. Well, why would you do that? In the middle of the fucking path. It don't matter, does it? Fucking back off, let him do what he's doing. Now you're stupid. What if a woman with a pram?
You get straight there, I'm not going to hit your back end. I've got an extended bed on this. I'll hit your back end if I try to wait through here. Straighten up and put it back in that yard here with straighten up. Look, can you help us to keep going fucking up?
Biggest tosspot I've fucking seen. Mate, you got on YouTube, I don't give a fuck. I know. Yeah, why even go there? It's a public path. No beds like him, honestly. Do my fucking head in. Oh, be careful of this car. Fuck.
Yeah, it definitely is.
But dude, I should have drafted having one kid.
Oh, we just saw a wreck. We just saw a wreck.
Oh my god.
I think it got it on my camera too.
Where?
On Mount Vernon in South Grand.